Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is Parth and our challenge is 100 day 100 machine, and here is new machine is Noontide, and here machines run on the virtual box, and this is my Linux machine which is run on VMware workstations, and here is the IP of these vulnerable machines 192.168.0.0.104, and here I have a scan with using a Rust scan, which is a fast scan as a Nmap, and here is the ports is 6667666978067. Here is unusual ports, and there next I have scanned the Nmap with using a Nmap, and this is the versions which is the Unreal IRCD, which is copy this, and what we do next, so we do open the browsers and search about this Unreal IRCD, which is hit enter, and we finding the rapid 7 with using a rapid 7. There is any exploits, so here is the backdoor command executions. So go to this first, so check it out this. So here is the MSF is using the exploit, use the Unix IRC Unreal IRCD backdoor. So we trying to backdoor in our machine. Let's clear this, and we use the MSF console. And use these exploits. Copy this and go to the MSF console. First clear this and use this exploit, and here is the exploits. We given the show option command, and here is the options which we can set the our host and set the payloads in this. So we're trying to set the our host first. Is 192.168.0.104 is our target machine. Our host is set. Show payloads. And here is the payloads. We use this payload is 1. use one. Okay, set payload 1, and here is payload is set, so we exploit command and hit enter. Trying to connect with vulnerable machines with using a backdoor. We type ID and we get the access of this machine. Here's the who am I for finding the name of the machine is a server. So ls-la/home. Here is the server is only one. So we're trying to the ls-la/home/server. So here is something else, cd home, go to the cd, here is ls pwd, we are in the servers irc, so cd dot ls cd dot ls pwd. Okay, so ls/home/server. So here is the file which is the local.txt here. So we first /home/server/local.txt, which is open is the first flag is here. So we trying to the root and s o m I. Okay, so there is a root. Okay, so we are rooted. I just type only root and type the password is root, so I'm rooted. So id use the we are rooted. This is so vulnerable machine. Go to the root directory. Okay, ls-la/root. Here is the proof.txt. So we cat /root/proof.txt and hit enter. And thanks for playing this machine. This is the easiest machine of VulnHub. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. We are back in the new machines.